First on Fox 21, 3 people have been released from the Pueblo County Jail after a judge ruled they were being held unconstitutionally.
Fox 21's Carolyn Felling actually spoke with the ACLU, which represented the inmates, and breaks down how exactly this happened.
Scott, Abby, the ACLU claims that when a person misses a court date in Pueblo, non-jailable charges could turn into sentences of months or even years. They say that that's exactly what happened to 3 people that they are now representing.
They didn't comply with the Constitution. They flagrantly violated the Constitution. So we represented 3 individuals.
The ACLU says Dean Lopez, Lyrics Martinez, and Michael Tafoya were all unlawfully put in the Pueblo County Jail for missing court dates under an ordinance, which allows the city to place people in jail for up to 364 days, even when their alleged offense carries no jail time.
They had been charged largely with petty offenses like loitering, standing in the median, or a trespass under state law.
ACLU claims that Martinez and Lopez's contempt charges resulted in them spending hundreds of days in jail.
The Constitution requires to tell someone what the charges are against them. The city of Pueblo dispensed with that entirely as a matter of its own policy.
The judge determined the city of Pueblo neglected to provide charging documents that would have allowed time to prepare a defense and protect all 3 against future charges.
They were systematically and intentionally violating their own citizens' constitutional rights.
But Mayor Heather Graham disagrees. In a statement on Facebook, she said in part, quote, "These individuals skipped court and failed to appear for years at a time, wasting city time, taxes, and resources. When they finally did appear after being arrested again, they were given a verbal advisement, copies of their warrants, and were represented by counsel."
What the mayor calls a technicality, we say is the root of our liberty. It's called the Constitution. The Constitution is not a technicality. It is what prevents cities, other governments from running roughshod over the civil rights and civil liberties of our citizens.
The ACLU says that they plan to investigate if others in the local jail are being unlawfully held, and add that this is not the first time that they have been involved in a case against the city of Pueblo. The last time they went up against Pueblo was when the city banned syringe exchange programs, which violated state law. Scott and Abby.
All right,